This is our Lotus floor plan, which is a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom floor plan at 981 square feet. The Lotus features a beautiful open concept kitchen and living room space, as well as modern finishes including updated kitchen cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and a beautiful window looking south over your sink. As you can see, you have plenty of counter space for all of your cooking and baking needs. This floor plan offers so much space for a full furniture set as well as a full dining set. Looking out on your patio, you have a southern view as well as plenty of space for patio furniture. In your bathroom, you'll see plenty of under-the-counter storage space, granite countertops, and a top-to-floor cabinet for extra storage. You also have a full tub and shower combo with a pre-installed shower rod. Each of our apartments comes included with their own washer and dryer. As we head into the bedroom, you'll see there's plenty of natural sunlight coming in from the window, as well as plenty of space for a king-size bed. The Lotus also features a huge walk-in closet with built-in shelves giving you plenty of space and storage for your clothes and accessories. Thank you so much for taking a look at our Lotus floor plan with us today. We hope that you enjoyed. And if you'd like more information, please contact our office at 402-858-8945. Have a great day.